Welcome. Holy Spirit has said to share this with you at this time. Clean your refrigerator. You're restocking in 24 hours. I am Latasha, MD, Latasha Mays Dodge, of Lotus of Judah, 1111 Ministry International. Thanks so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I want to go ahead and lay down some scriptural foundation for resonance with Philippians 4:19, and my God shall supply all your needs according to his riches in glory by Christ Yeshua. Then Malachi 3:10, prove me now, says Yahweh of hosts, if I will not open the windows of heaven and pour out for you a blessing, that shall not be room enough to receive it. Selah. So I was inspired to create this message for you. And it's important that you move on this message. Like the Ruach HaQadosh, the Holy Spirit, Divine Mother, is saying, tell my people, clean your refrigerator. Yep, get ready, get into the mindset and the heart of expectancy. Because for many people that have been worrying about how they gonna make it, how they gonna take care of the kids, how they gonna take care of each other, okay, how they gonna survive through this so-called government shutdown, okay, people are in an uproar. People are literally on the edge of snapping. But trust and believe that the Most High cannot be paused. The resources, the provisions from the Most High God, it's going to happen some way. And so I wanted you to listen to this affirmation. Let it resonate. All right. I am the bread of heaven. I am the overflow that never runs out. Okay, and so this is your confirmation at this time. This is your prophetic sign. Holy Spirit is speaking very loudly through me. I'm being obedient with sharing these messages, and Holy Spirit is wanting you to know to clean your refrigerator. This is an act of faith. Make room for the new. Okay, because in 24 hours, you will have a fully restocked kitchen. Okay, in the name of the Most High Yeshua Jesus Christ. So when you get ready to do this, okay, when you clean, don't just focus on removing, stuff that done been in there for a while, spoiled food and all. Just remove the so-called spiritual fear, the residue of lack, of not having. Okay, make room for supernatural supply. Don't get into the details. Don't get to worrying. Focus on faith. Okay, because the Most High is saying that this time you're going to prosper. It's just about you making room to prosper. So I'm going to share the parable of an empty fridge, because just as Elijah was fed by ravens in the drought and the widow's oil never ran out. Remember in that, I can't remember exactly her name, but it was a widow and she didn't know how she was going to make it. And the Most High told her, okay, go ahead and clean out these jars and make this oil. And it just kept replenishing. These are the miraculous things that are beginning to happen for you. But this requires you to act in obedience. All right. You cleaning out that refrigerator, this is going to represent a temporary fast in the natural. So it's going to look like, it's going to look really bare, right? But understand that you're preparing for a full restoration. In the name of the Most High Yeshua, Holy Spirit is saying at this time, do not mourn anymore. Praise for the space that you're going to have to be fully fulfilled. So just expect, this is going to be a 24-hour turnaround. Within 24 hours of hearing this message, have faith and expect major restocking. Okay, not only divine ideas, you're going to come up with profitable ways in which to bring favor into your life. Resources are going to begin to flow to you, okay? Far greater than you can ever imagine. Unexpected blessings. Because the Most High Yah, representing Jesus Christ, is not limited to what's happening in this society. We're going to cut out the middleman when it comes to the government, and we're going to go straight to the source. Isaiah 55:10 says, for he gives seed to the sower and bread to the eater. So without further ado, I want to share these prophetic affirmations with you. Keep in mind, you have to believe. You got to feel it. When you believe Can you suspend all shadow of a doubt? That is like an activation for you. So let's begin. Holy Spirit, the Ruach HaQadosh, leads me into divine order and overflow now. As I clean my refrigerator, I make space for supernatural recompense. Every shelf in my home represents abundance, not lack. My pantry, my refrigerator, my bank account are all restocked by heaven's economy. In 24 hours, I will witness Yah's hand of multiplication. I no longer depend on just the government. I depend on the Most High God, Jesus Christ. I am the temple of the living God. Abundance dwells within me and through me. My obedience to the commandments activates supernatural miracles. The windows of heaven are open over my household and my life now. I decree and I declare supernatural favor in my life, health, wealth, and happiness. I decree and declare that the pause in the government cannot stop the flow of blessings from the Most High God, Jesus Christ. So, children of the Most High, this is not just about food, y'all. It's deeper than that. This is a prophetic act of faith. This is a reminder that Yah is still Jehovah Jireh. And in Hebrew, that represents the provider. So get ready. Go ahead and clean that refrigerator. Y'all hear them engines revving out there? Things are happening. Things are moving on our behalf. And so begin to think in advance. Thank the Most High. Thank Holy Spirit, the Ruach HaQadosh, for guiding you here at this time. And then wait in expectancy. Because heaven is going to restock what was empty, especially according to Psalm 23:5. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. My cup runneth over. Ashe Shalom, Selah.